Hey everybody, this is the HWMJ here, and this is field trucks for Super Savage Series number 15. So, we got a lot of people who signed up. Well, actually, a lot of people, liking on my Instagram post that I did. I posted, yesterday, and I picked their trucks for them. So, yeah, tomorrow is the event, and today is the field trucks tonight, and the event will be tomorrow. Who win Super Savage number 15, the Black Edition, and we can go from there. So, over 44 trucks and 44 people sign up, so listen carefully. The Camera 975, me, and Aftershock, Doomsday 5155, and Soldier Fortune, Kadaria Seaton, and Dragon. Kodak Teeter in the 2015 World Finals Avenger, King _ Cooper 12 and Monster Rottweiler, Duck and Tape and Samson, Walk Scots _ 915 and Samson, Mac Bulldog Mac and Ice Cream Man, Thomas the Doge and Scooby Doo, Dolly Marshall and Shocker, Monster Jam World _ 16 and Barbarian, Monster Jam Mayhem and the Ultra Loco, Monster Jam 11 and the Regular Risen King, Samantha Landry and the Orange Ultra Loco, Benjamin Costa 5914 and Bad Habit, Anthony 7771 and Northern Nightmare, RC Explosion and Excalibur, Fuego 101 Boy and Obsessed, Monster Jam for Life and Hurricane Force, Monster Jam Fan and Grave the Legend Trackies Tires making his return, RJ Martin 2001 2006 World Finals Ranger, Monster Jam Weekly 2016 and Riveted, Wayne Force More and Zombie, Legend Easy and Samson, Thunder 4x4, Mike Shoulder and Nigel Hornet, Zacher 59 and Team Hollywood's Firestorm. Okay. Awesome Ethan 123591 and Gravedigger. Hollywood's Collectors 81 and Lucas Oil Crusader. Maxi Fan 101.1 and Maxi Spite. Monster _ Jam 303 and NEA. Monster _ Model 14, and Man of Steel. Say 6WE and Maxi Glow, WE 5155 and Son of Digger. Monster Jam OCD Ryan and the Black Ultra Logo. Mario Minecraft and Shark Creek. Yeah, he commented Ice Cream Man, but it's already taken by Mac, I'm sorry. So I had to give you Shark Creek instead. The Hangout's cool. I'm making his debut, or making her debut. That's our new channel. But anyway, we got Doomsday, Stone Cold 4215 and Crustacean, Zat K1T and Wolverine, Monster Jam Gaming and the X-Rays and Kane, Monster Jam Fanatic and Gravedigger the Legend, Monster Jam Action 2021 and 2013 World Finals Avenger, and Florida Culture 14 and the 2014 World Finals Avenger. So that's it, your field trucks. So the event will be tomorrow, and see you guys later. Probably tomorrow morning, or probably not. So see you guys later, or probably later tonight. That all depends on the event. So stay tuned for the event tomorrow. So see you guys later.